Okay, I'm sharing behind the scenes today. Today we're talking all things daffodils. This is my latest arrangement and I'm pretty obsessed with it. It was so fun to make. Spoiler alert, I'm hosting a workshop where if you sign up, we're going to make this live over Zoom. It takes about 2 hours max. I'm going to send you a kit for everything that you need to make this. So after 2 hours, you're going to have this cute arrangement to put in your windowsill, to put on your kitchen island, to put on your kitchen table, to gift to a friend or a neighbor. They are so fun. I have honestly made probably 8 or 9 of these and keep giving them out to my neighbors. It's just spring little gifts and it's so fun. But I want to show you where I started. So I made this one 5 or 6 years ago and I gave it to everyone in my family that came for Easter dinner, and it's cute. It's fun. I still like this, but to me, this looks like a homemade craft. Where this, we're getting into boutique territory. And this is what I'm going to teach you how to make. So a few things to note. This doesn't really have the actual trumpet center, and the petal shapes are a little bit off. It also lacks a little bit of depth. And you'll notice my leaves here are pretty flimsy and flopping over. They look like they were real, like they were dying and needed some water. Again, very cute, fun. Lots of free tutorials online of how to make this. But we're going for this. Couple differentiators that are going to make all the difference when you are creating felt flowers to make sure they look boutique and not handmade. First and foremost, you've got to use quality felt. The only kind of felt I use is a wool blend felt. If you're buying the craft felt from your local craft store, it's most likely 100% polyester. It's very thin. It's very shiny. The colors are pretty intense. Like, no way could you buy this type of a yellow. The yellow at your craft store is going to be very bright and too intense, okay? So you want to make sure that you're using a quality felt to get a quality product. Now, full disclosure, this is also wool blend felt, right? Some of these are even the same color. But not only do you want to use quality felt, you need to make sure how you're assembling it is going to create that finished look. So I started here with the trumpet, and why I was making this probably took me 7 or 8 different tries of trial and error of how to create this, because this is all one piece, this trumpet piece. And I wanted to make sure that this little part bent back and held its shape. Now with felt, you can fold it, but it will not hold its shape unless you treat it in some other way. Paper, you can roll, you can crease it, you can fold it over and it will hold its shape. Felt is not like that. But I also didn't want it to be super hard and stiff and crusty or shiny. So I'm going to teach you how I actually created this. You'll also notice with the petals here, you want to make sure that they have some movement and that they're not flat and plain. Again, cute petal shape, but all I did here was cut these petals and glue them on. With this one, I cut these petals and I distress them in a way that helps give them a little bit of wave and distresses the fibers. Again, we're just giving it some extra character. And then for the leaves, I took a completely different approach to the leaves here than what I did here to give it additional strength so that they're not going to flop over. And again, add that character and that texture to it. So these are so fun. Once you learn a handful of these tips and tricks, they are quite easy to make. And again, make a beautiful centerpiece. I have these currently sitting on my kitchen island, and just bring a lot of that beautiful spring feel into your house, and they last forever. So if you want to come make these with me, I'm going to put a link. May 2nd at 10 a.m. Pacific time, we're going to be live on Zoom making these for 2 hours. We're not doing a replay. We're not recording this. This is come create together with a group of other people who love to create, and we're going to leave with a finished product. Y'all, we are not adding to your to be finished pile. None of us need more in that pile. We are making things, we are finishing them, and we are enjoying them. I'm going to send you a kit of all of the felt, all of the items needed to add this depth and texture. I'm going to send you the little stamens. I'm going to send you wire. I'm going to send you the moss. All you need to do is get yourself a pot that you like and use other craft supplies you probably have on hand, like scissors and a hot glue gun. Okay. But all of the hard to source items I'm going to send to you included with your workshop as a kit. Now, full disclosure, I have a limited number of kits available, so this will sell out. If you want a spot, come sign up while there's still kits available March 2nd. If you're not able to make it March 2nd, we will be creating something else again in the near future, so stick around. But come join me and let's make this fun daffodil little pot for your house or for your friends or for your neighbor. And let's create something to bring a little bit more joy into the crazy world we live in these days. All right, I can't wait to see you there. Click the link below and get your kit while they're still available. Hey, real quick, if you're watching this and we've sold out or it's after May 2nd, you can still learn how to make this. I have all the tutorials, all the templates, all the resources linked in the Felt Flower Academy. Come join us over there and you're going to get access to this tutorial as well as dozens of others. So go to feltfloweracademy.com and you can learn how to make this there.